BJP's performance in Maharashtra has stunned everyone. Party has broken a new ground. It is a complete sweep of Mahayuti. Mahavikas Aghadi has been routed and roasted. It is not a loss for them, it is a face loss. Jharkhand has been a face saver for India Alliance. Mamata Banerjee has been able to hold the fort in wake of RG Kar and AAP did well in Punjab. Yogi Adityanath has been able to stop a resurgent SP and local Congress unit of Karnataka can keep its head high. But Maharashtra is setting the agenda today. There are big takeaways of this election. So let me start with the Maharashtra verdict, the big takeaways without wasting any time. The first big takeaway is Mahayuti ends up with almost 50% of vote share. It's unprecedented. The second big takeaway, the Ladki Bahin powers Mahayuti to victory. Single-handedly, this vote consolidated behind Eknath Shinde. Third point, Eknath Shinde inherits Bala Saheb's Hindutva legacy. It's a combo of Bala Saheb and Anant Dige, the strongman of then Thane. Fourth, Ajit dismantles Sharad Pawar in this election. The nephew has stuck back and it's like a power punch, knockout punch. Fifth, Thackeray's Parwar's worst performance. Food for thought. They need to not only rebuild the party but their own brand which has been demolished. Sixth, this is Sharad Pawar's worst performance since 1972. Strongmen in Indian elections have been humbled from Mrs. Indira Gandhi to Rajiv Gandhi. Unfortunately, at this ripe age, it is Sharad Pawar's turn to be humbled by Indian voter. Hindutva bulldozes the constitution debate. That's the 7th point. Hindutva reigns larger, stronger, and more resilient than the Red Book in this election. 8th, Lok Sabha result, an aberration. The sort of voting that has taken place, and even in Jharkhand, the way BJP has fought the elections, BJP consolidates itself as an hegemonic party. BJP has got more seats than entire MVA combined. That's the 9th point. 10th, BJP has broken into the Congress NCP bastion of Marathwada. 11th, BJP retains Vidarbha despite rural distress. And Maratha Kotha, 12 point. Jarange fails to make any impact. 13th takeaway. Ek hai to safe hai is a runaway hit. You can criticize it, you can loathe it, but you can't ignore it. Aggressive campaign by Muslim clerics backfires. 14th point. It just didn't happen for Congress. And the 15th point, big zero for Raj Thackeray. He's the only person of the Maharashtra politics who had always remained in the realm of hope and performance. But natural outcome has deluded him.